So hello viewers, today I am going to show you how you print hello world in JavaScript within 3 steps. First, we'll create a new file, new folder, then this name is JavaScript, done, and open it in VS Code, so more options and open with VS Code. Then here you can see the file, and here uh, you have to create a new file, that's index.html. Done. Then just enter zip on enter. It is HTML boiler code, and this title I'm going to change you in JavaScript tutorial, JS tutorial, and then you have to add an script tag. Script. Now it's added. Then here I'm gonna show you how you print hello world in JavaScript. First method, console.log. Console.log bracket hello world. This is capital H, and Control S, save, and then open it in live server, and now it's open in Firefox browser, and you can open in any browser as you said in VS Code. Then just click F12 keyboard shortcut to developer mode and any browser, then select console, and you can see in console hello world already printed. Then next method is alert method. Now minimize this page, and I'm going to comment out this line, and second method is alert hello world, and then Control S, save. And next open your browser, and you can see a notification type message on your browser. This is hello world. You can refresh your browser, just click F5 keyword, and you can see the notification type hello world in your front browser. Now done second method, and last method is document.write. So I'm gonna comment out this second alert method, and last method is document dot write, write, enter, and just type hello world, and save it. And you can see in your browser, here you can see the written phrase hello world. So this is 3 method you learn so easily in 1 minutes. So now it's enough for today, and